Today I'm doing a Cate the Great Beauty inspired video. So I have a canned cocktail for the occasion. I feel like when you say canned cocktail, people are like, grody. But these are really good. This is from a brand called Two Chicks. I absolutely love these. They're really like fresh and like crisp. This is their sparkling vodka fizz. So it's vodka, elderflower, and pear. Vodka with natural flavors. So this is what I'm drinking. If you're not familiar with Cate the Great Beauty, I'll have her link down below. She's amazing. I love her so much. I love her so much. I love her so much. I aspire to be her. So if you're not familiar with her, she does have a drink with her videos and she'll like cheers products and stuff. So to be inspired by her, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I'm gonna take another sip. So let me get my hair out of my way. It's gonna be like an inspired look that I'm doing. She does very like, I don't want to say like easy and simple. Like it's like not complicated makeup. And I think that's why I like her so much. It's all like very fresh looking makeup, like very clean skin, but she always looks so like put together. Like she's just beautiful. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do today. Okay, for foundation, I'm using the Sephora. This is from the new Clean Makeup line from Sephora collection, the Clean Glowing Skin Foundation. I have this in number 9. This, like, foundation surprised me, actually. I don't know, I just expected something, like, really light and, like a tinted moisturizer is kind of what I expected from this, but it gives some really decent coverage. Like, I'd say, like, a light medium coverage. Yeah, so like I just feel like I look like covered. Like I don't feel like I need any more coverage than this. I feel like I look really smooth. I'm definitely glowing. Don't sleep on this foundation. This is a really nice foundation. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Milk Flex Concealer. I'm just going to put this under my eyes. I like this concealer not powdered. So this is going to be like a really like minimal powder look. Like I know Cate like does set her face, but just how I like to kind of create the skin like in a similar way that she does like her skin. I don't like to powder. I'm also not going anywhere, so I don't need it to be long wearing. I'm going to do my brows super quick, like I always do them. So this is just, if I rolled it up, I'd be able to use it. Just a little bit of Precisely My Brow from Benefit. Why couldn't I think of where this was from? So I'm just going to fill my brows in real quick. Okay, and just a little bit of brow gel. It's the Gimme Brow. Is that a squirrel? There's a squirrel outside now. Cate has New York City sounds and I apparently have squirrels. Alrighty, for my eyes, let me zoom you in. Sir, are you okay out there? That squirrel has a lot to say. It sounds like he's having an argument. Okay, so Cate does, like, I don't want to say easy because I feel like saying easy makes it sound like it's like not like glamorous or anything like that, but she does these really like simple eye looks, like usually like a one and done eye look, and it just looks so stunning. It looks so stunning on her, but it still looks really like sophisticated. It still looks like, wow, she spent some time doing her makeup, but really it was just like she chucked it on and she was done. So what I'm gonna do in the same like realm, I am going to take, if I can find it, nope, I'm gonna take this Super Shock shadow from Colourpop. This is Set to Stun. If I take the lid off, maybe you can see it. It's stuck. I closed it too tight. Okay. Just a gorgeous like red copper bronze. I don't even know how to describe this color, but I absolutely love it. And I'm not like a fingers to apply kind of person. I don't like to apply stuff with my fingers, but it really is the best way to put these on. So I'm just gonna slap it on. And kind of when I have less, go through the crease. The edge you can blend with a brush, but I'll do that in a second. I just want to like get it on there first. Look, that's gorgeous. That's so pretty. And it's like, yes, I did spend some time throwing this on. I am going to use a brush just to put a little bit on the bottom though. Not sticking my finger down there. See, it's so simple, but it's so pretty. I'm going to throw... There's my liner now. My hand. I'm just going to throw a little bit of liner in my tight line. That pencil was really sharp, so it tickled my eyes, and now my eyes are watering. Okay, for my mascara, I'm almost threw it right off the bed. I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs, the FetishEyes mascara. I feel like Cate likes this. I could have sworn she's mentioned this before. She probably has. I feel like everybody loves this mascara. I like it, but because I have very straight lashes, like I curl them, I put this on, it looks really nice for like 5 minutes, and then my lashes go boop. But I'm going to put it on, because when it's on before my lashes fall, it does look beautiful. So I'm going to curl my lashes and throw this on. So here are the eyes done. Doesn't that mascara look amazing? It looks so good. Like my lashes look so thick and so long. And then they'll fall down. But that's okay. So let's finish the face. So I'm going to use a cream bronzer to not bronzer. Nope. Cream contour to just kind of lightly contour. Cate doesn't really heavily contour her face, and I think that's part of what makes her look so seamless. I'm not sure how to describe it. Oh, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Her skin just looks fantastic. If she told me she didn't have makeup on, I'd believe her. So I'm gonna use my Fenty Cheeks Out cream bronzer in Amber, the really cool shade. I like to have a bit of structure to my face, so even if I'm doing soft, minimal makeup, I like to have a little bit of contour. Cate also just has the most amazing cheekbones. It's not even fair how beautiful that woman is. I'm gonna take my sponge to bounce that in. There we go. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I don't want to make my face too warm, which is why I'm doing this one. Oh god, it smells like chocolate. So Cate, I like how I keep calling her Cate like I know her. I would like to be bronzy. She likes to be blushy. Can't find what I'm looking for. So I'm going to make myself as blushy as I dare be. So she likes to layer a powder blush on top of a liquid blush. So I'm going to start with this. This is from Rare Beauty. I haven't even tried this yet. This is the color Grace. One of the liquid blushes. So I'm a little scared. I know these are super pigmented. I'm just going to do... okay. Too much, too much, too much, too much. Put it over here, put it over here. Pick it up, put it over here. Okay, well, 2 dots was too much. It's okay, we'll fix it, we'll make it work. That was a really pretty color though. Help me out here, sponge. There we go. It's just my foundation brush because I put way too much on, and then I'm going to put more blush on top of it, and then I'm going to look like a clown. And then for the powder blush, this is another thing from Colourpop. This is Between the Sheets. This is a Super Shock Cheek, kind of a neutral, nothing blush, as I like to call them. But this is Pretty Pink, the liquid blush, so I think it'll kind of show through a little still. Just right on top of that. Yeah, that's okay. That's how I like that. Minimally blushy, still pretty blushy though. For highlight, I'm going to use a cream highlight. This is the RMS Beauty. This is the Living Luminizer. I just love this on like fresh skin kind of looks. I just use this with my finger. Because it's kind of like lit from within glowy and not like I put sparkle on my face glowy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And take my sponge just to make sure that's nice and pressed into the skin. For my lip, I'm gonna use Fussy from Fenty Beauty. I know Cate loves these glosses, and I love that she loves them because I'm not a big gloss person. I don't really like gloss. There's few gloss formulas that I like, and Fenty is one of the very few that I like. So I'm gonna pile this on. It's just so juicy. But they're like not sticky. I'm just gonna spray everything down with the Smashbox spray. So here's the finished look inspired by Cate The Great Beauty. See, it's like put together, but it's not like really like heavily made up or anything like that. Like I'm glowing. Like, wow, just glowing. I can't even explain. Definitely check out Cate if you haven't already. I'll have her link down below. She is just so genuine. Like, you can tell that the person that she is on camera is like how she is in real life, and she is so funny and she's so talented, both like in her work outside of YouTube. She does like musical theater. She had a contract with Norwegian. I think she worked for Disney at some point. Like, she's just so talented. She's so funny. She's just so, you can tell she's just so genuinely like nice and caring. She's been doing a ton of live streams, so if you're someone who likes a live stream, or I think that's like a really good place to get to know somebody is through a live stream. She's been doing a ton of those, so definitely check her out. She is so funny. She read my comment once during a live stream. It was great, so I have that going for me. But yeah, check her out. She'll be down below. I really like this look. Now I kind of wish I was going somewhere. Oh, I didn't cheers anything. I know what I'm going to cheers. If you know, you know. Sephora Collection Clean Glowing Skin Foundation. Good job. I did it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, Cate is linked down below. Please check her out. She is amazing. Like, I can't say enough praises about her. So definitely check her out. Don't forget to subscribe to me also if you have not already. And I'll see you soon. Bye!